Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be about Wix basically. So here I'm going to show you how you can customize the pricing plan widget in the Wix site. So in one of my previous videos from the list of videos that I have uploaded, you will get how to add a pricing plan in another pages. Because when you add pricing plan from the Wix app market from the widget that you get will add to site, then it gets by default created in separate page called plans and pricing basically. But here we cannot move from copy and paste method. So here there is other option that you can see in one of my last videos. So you can check out that out. So here I am going to show you how you can customize this. So this is how you can do the stitch full width. Then these options like this margins. Then you can go to settings basically. Lots of options here. Customize plans, manage plans, then create a new plan basically, layout, display, you can display whatever you want, you can switch it, disable option for all the other things available here. Then there is a called text, so you can change the page title here, change the button text, change the page subtitle, change the ribbon, change the button, using options, lots of options for the background and border basically. Okay, it is not looking good, I know, but I'm going to show you. I'm just showing this. Okay, red, like this. You can do the text style and highlighted text color basically. First, there you can have an option to highlight one of them. Like if this is the best value, you can highlight one of them. That you can try to show people that which is the highlighted one is the best plan you can have. Because there are sites which show like this. Then there is the button and highlighted basically options. You can do the customization here as well. Then there is a ribbon. There is add-ons. Add-ons I showed you in one of my previous videos. So just I'm just going to show you customize plans, create a new plan. You can straight away go here. This window will open. You can create a new plan on your own. It's pretty much simple and easy. I'm going to show you like silver. No, there is a typo. Still, it's optional. You can also connect this with block subscriptions as well as forum subscriptions. Then pricing and duration. There is a free interval plan. How much duration it's going to be for free? How much months or anything? One-time payment. Return payments. Whether it is monthly, monthly frequency. Then one time you can add. Then the length of the plan. If you are paying one plan, then what's the duration for that 1 month plan or sorry one time payment basically. Single purchase like this you can save, and then I'm going to use 50 into the plan. I'm going to use first one. I'll just close this. You can also reorder plans because currently there is only one. But if you have like a 3-4 plans, then you can reorder like this. You can just put it one upon one other the other like a 1, 2, 3, 4 like in that way. Okay, then this was about that. Basically, click on here, it will open this one. Manage plans, it will open that window basically, which we were redirected to previously basically. So I hope you are getting this. Thanks for watching.